Saba po yan yung water pump. Uy, no, diba? Saba kayo, no? Kadug ka? Alright, what's up mga Boricus man? Ed here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe button para ma-update ka when upload a brand new video. Oh my god, I am so very excited today na mag-take ng video kasi I'm so very happy. So hindi ko po ma-explain ko bakit happy ko ngayon. So, di ba gusto mo yan? Gusto kaya? And yes, 40 days content and meron akong i-share sa inyo guys ng aking 15 tips on how to start in YouTube on a small YouTuber, di ba? Gusto mo yan? Kasi I am too proud to say to myself na I am a small YouTuber, diba? And yan, without further ado, let's get started kasi I am too excited to share to you guys ang aking 15 tips, diba? Anyway, sa take note talaga ako para bongga na, diba? So ito, without further, let's get started! Ayan, unang-una, number 1, you should have to use your gadget, diba? Well, as a small YouTuber, you should have to use your pangmalakasang cellphone, diba? Kasi hindi naman po kailangan ng magagandang phone, mamahaling phone. Well, at least meron kang pagbibidyohan sa sarili mo. Well, ayan, be practical of what you have lang as a small YouTuber kung anong meron ka, diba? So, don't take your life too complicated. Ayan, number 1, you should have to use your cellphone. Number 2, you should have to create YouTube channel. So, madali lang talaga mag-create ng YouTube channel. So, just go to Google Play Store or Apple Store and download YouTube and everything, diba? So, bongga na. Gano'n lang bilis. Ayan, diba? Ayan, number 3, you should have to create your YouTube channel name. Well, after mo na mag-download ng YouTube sa Google Play Store, sa Apple Store, well, kailangan mo talaga mag-create ng YouTube channel name mo para mas madali ka lang ma-discover sa mga viewers mo, sa mga subscribers mo, diba? Well, suggestion lang, you should have to create your YouTube channel name only 3 names lang or 2 names para mas madali lang i-search. Well, kung mahaba talaga, well, complicated na siya. Well, ganyan po nang ginagawa ko. Well, Ed Baldomar. So, period. Ayan, number 4 guys, importante talaga to. Make people know about your content platform. Either people and vlogs, beauty and everything. And ayan, life hacks, cooking, entertainment, comedy, and everything. Well, anyways, there are a lot of content platform dito sa YouTube. Ayan, diba? So, well, anyways, ang content ko sa YouTube is entertainment. More entertainment. Ayan, gusto mo yun? Gusto ko yun! Well, number 5, ayan, well, choose your editing app. Well, ang editor ko sa video ko is, alam nyo kung anong editor ko? Well, KineMaster lang po yung editor ko. Well, nagtataka po na bakit walang watermark? Well, ewan ko po. Bakit wala siyang, watermark? Well, pag download ko to ng KineMaster, wala siyang watermark. Well, I am so happy, diba? I am so happy kasi wala siyang watermark. Well, for your information guys, mas madali lang po gamitin ang KineMaster talaga. I swear, I highly recommend KineMaster as your editor. Ayan, KineMaster na. Download ang KineMaster. Go! So, number 6, add clips on your video. Like ganito. O, diba? Gusto mo yan? Yung clips na yan. Diba? Anyways, ipapakita ko yun. Like ganito, yung crying and everything. See? See, diba? Yung clips, lagyan mo ng clips ng bawat. Kung gusto mong i-cut yung video mo, so i-add mo lang yung clip na gusto mo. Like ganito, crying. Diba? See, yan. And ito pa, wait. Well, actually, ito po yung ginagamit ko. Ayan. So, add clips on your video para medyo, tawag dyan, medyo catchy yung video mo. And ito palas. See, yan, ito po yung, well, anyways, ayan, mas maganda po siya talaga naglagyan ng clips sa mga videos mo, like cut. So, add clip, then balik again sa original video mo. So, ganon! And guys, number 7, for me lang ha, use background music on your video para mas maganda siya pakinggan, peaceful and everything. Peaceful and everything. Well, for me lang I really like to use background music like La 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 ng Jamil kasi I really like Jamil. So, gusto mo. Number 7, use background music on your video. Number 8, do not use original music kasi ma-copyright ka, oh my god. Kasi 5 videos ko nagsimula ko sa YouTube, kaya na-copyright po yung 5 video ko. Well, sa first video, gumamit ako ng mga original music na 5, so na-copyright po siya. Well, anyways, hindi naman po yan ma-affect sa original video mo. At pag na-monetize ka na, yung 5 videos mo, kunwari, hindi counted sa earnings mo sa YouTube, diba? So, do not use original music, diba? Number 9, so inform your subscribers or your viewers what date or time you will post your new video. Well, for me, I inform my viewers and my subscribers and my supporters, I love you all, na every Saturday ako mag-upload ng aking new video upload. So, diba? So, kailangan talaga inform yung mga viewers mo or subscribers mo na kailangan ka magpo-post ng new video mo para meron silang antayin ng mga angkabagabaw video mo. Diba? Gusto mo yun? And number 10, guys, share your videos to your social media accounts. Well, anyways, yan po talaga yung ginagawa ko. So, pinopost ko pa sa TikTok, sa Twitter, sa Instagram, sa Facebook para malaman ng mga viewers ko at mga friends ko na meron akong YouTube upload na bago sa YouTube channel ko. So, diba? So, really share your videos to your social media accounts para malaman nila. Diba? Gusto mo yan? So, number 11, guys. So, ayun. Well, after mo na mag-take ng video, mag-edit yung mga video mo, well, you should have to use powerful thumbnail para mag-catch ng attention sa mga viewers. Well, ayan talaga. We should have to use a powerful thumbnail sa video mo para makakatch ng attention to more viewers. Para, so, oh my gosh! I really like that thumbnail, diba? Gusto mo yun. So, you should have to use, guys, a powerful thumbnail para makakatch ng attention sa mga unique viewers mo, diba? Ayan. Number 12, guys, you should have to list down your contents. Well, yan po talaga ako yung technique ko para hindi ako mahirapan mag-isip ng content. Kung anong maisip ko sa utak ko, ililista ko yan. Iti-take note ko yan para bongga na. So, hindi ka mahirapan. Oh my gosh, this day, gawa ako video na ganito. Well, ayan. So, yan po na yung technique ko. So, list down your contents para hindi ka mahirapan. Well, para mabilis ka nang makagawa ng video and everything. So, list down your contents, guys, para bongga na. So, number 13, guys, you should have to use hashtags on your video para mas madalang i-search sa mga unique viewers. Like, for example, hashtag Boy Provincia, hashtag how to enlighten your, contour, kung beauty ang nyo search, like, tawag dyan, hashtag how to move on. Hashtag how to have a boyfriend or girlfriend, like everything yan. So, you should have to use hashtags on your video. So, mukha sa mga, manok, hashtag Saba ang manok, diba? Number 14, guys, well, ito po talaga yung ginawa ko. So, promote your YouTube channel to your friends and family. So, ayan. So, I really love my supporters and my subscribers kasi, and my friends also kasi, nag-chat ako sa kanila, oh my God, pag-subscribe man po ng YouTube channel ko, ayan. So, they really, response immediately. Char, o English. So, unang chat ko pa lang, Gora na. So, ayan, subscribe ko yan, and don't worry, I support you. So, diba? So, thank you so much, guys. I really love you. And I hope na hindi kayo magsama-supportahan ako. And I love you so much. Yes, number 15 and last. Well, ito po talaga yung pinaka-secret talaga, char. Well, you should have to be yourself. And true to yourself, well, ipakita mo kung ano ka talaga and enjoy what you are doing. Diba? So, ayan lang, guys. Be yourself. Kailangan mong magpapakatoo sa sarili mo. And, ayan. So, don't pretend na ganito ka sa video lang. Sa, off-cam. Ayan. So, ganun ka pa din sa video, sa off-cam. Well, ganyan pa rin yung ugali mo. So, ayan, guys. And also, you should have to pray to God na gagabayin ka niya sa journey mo sa buhay. So, ayan, guys. At yun lang po nagtatapos, guys, ang aking 15 tips on how to start on YouTube on a small YouTuber. And I hope nakatulong ako. And kung meron kang plan na mag-start sa YouTube, well, push mo na yan. Push mo na yan, te. At huwag ka nang magpatumpik-tupik pa. Go na! So, first and foremost, guys, just enjoy what you are doing and spread love and happiness to everyone. So, I love you all! And yes, don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe button para ma-update ka when I upload a brand new video. So, aloha and goodbye and God bless. Stay tuned for my next upload and love you all!